You ever find yourself on a cold and rainy day in Corvallis thinking what the heck to do? Well, here's a decent option coming to Rejuvenation by Blackstone. Let me give you a quick run through of what to do, what you can do on a rainy day. Today's actually a nice day, not too rainy, so but you get my drift. Come on in. All right.
Hi.
Hello, hello. We'll get taken care of here. First, we're gonna come back into do some cryotherapy. So good adrenaline boost, just as if you ran a 3-mile run. Get the endorphins flowing. After that, come back in here to the red bed to relax and rejuvenate in style. After you've done the red bed, we have the compression boots, perfect after a long day on your feet or sitting. So as you do your compression boots, you gotta just put on Netflix and chill. And if you're real bored, help yourself to a personal training session with Laura Lee for some serious punishment. On the way out, check out some of these Capri Blue scents, candles, and lotions. And then don't forget some of these other goodies, some supplements, topical magnesium. You have these handheld light stim lights. And then you leave feeling just fantastic. All right, so come check it out. We'll be waiting for you.